Samco Securities is a stockbroking firm. So whenever you buy and share stocks, you need an intermediary, which is the stockbroker. We are one of them. We are a leading tech and discount broker in India. The demographic that we cater to is obviously because we are a DIY, we are a tech company, and as per the demographics, we cater to mostly people with the age bracket of 20 to anywhere between 40-45. Obviously, there are people over and above that, but majority, if you say around 80 to 90%, is in that bracket only, which can trade themselves, which can do it themselves, and which can obviously are very comfortable with the technology, and they do not require much help from the support and human contact.
So what we've created is we have created the first domain WhatsApp chatbot, which not only provides you real-time recommendation, but also provides you profit and loss reports, your ledger report, your holdings, everything on WhatsApp, just within few clicks. So because of this two-way user initiation, what we have also seen that the number of queries which used to come to our support team has reduced by 20%. Plus, whenever a user is trying to engage with us over WhatsApp, they can get a real-time recommendation within their clicks and execute their order. So with WhatsApp coming into the picture, what it has done is it has helped us, all the stockbrokers, give out our recommendations to our clients on real-time basis. So due to this, I think in our domain it is very important that if you miss the time of investing or trading or a tip which is being given, the price fluctuations are very high, and maybe which will indirectly reflect on their profit, loss. So it is very crucial to have real-time recommendations which are sent over WhatsApp. And for that, I think WhatsApp is playing a very important role. Apart from this, what we have also done is we have created a WhatsApp channel which is purely for our recommendations, as we send 3 to 5 recommendations daily, and there is a limit of WhatsApp where you can only send 2 WhatsApp communications per user. So what this channel has done is this channel has helped us create a community of users which are serious traders and only want to be informed about our recommendations and execute their order. And the best part, it is free of cost as well. Apart from this, the other helpful use cases which are there is that it definitely, as I've discussed earlier also, that it helps you provide profit and loss statement, real-time recommendations, ledger balances. You can also reach out to our support team over WhatsApp, and this has made, I think, our life easier because it's a close-ended loop, and anything or any query which a client has can be resolved over WhatsApp. So recently we have launched the RCS chatbot for Samco Securities, and in this chatbot what we have tried to cover is our users can reach out to us over RCS and know everything about our products, features, services, what we have for clients. Plus, they can also reach out to our support team and try to resolve all their queries. If there is any user who's trying to reach out to or maybe try to know more about Samco Securities, the first thing a user is going to do is maybe search on Google Samco Securities. That is where you would know about the RCS chatbot feature, and you can initiate the conversation from there itself, and then you have a complete list of options and you can scroll that around. What we have tried to do is we have tried to add RCS communications in all our customer journeys, and what this has helped us do is this has made the discovery of RCS very easier for our clients, as it is not it's still in the very nascent stages. So because we are reaching out to our clients with our onboarding journey, our activation journeys, they are already aware about the RCS number what we have right now. Because of this, what happens is they can reach out to us anytime over RCS, where there is a complete end-to-end chatbot. They can know everything about our product, our services, what we have. Plus, they can also reach out to our support team and try to resolve their query. Apart from this, I think it is also very important as a marketer when you're trying to look at the complete funnel. Not only to focus on maybe increasing your numbers, your logins, your conversions, or maybe engagement, but it is very important to not maybe try to increase the revenue, but also control the cost. What is involved. By adding RCS in our customer journeys, what we have tried to do is we have tried to reduce our overall CAC and CPL, because the cost incurred for an RCS communication as compared to WhatsApp is almost 1/4. So what this does is the overall CAC has reduced, plus the CPL is reducing, and I think this makes life much easier. So I think what the major impact between RCS and WhatsApp is that these channels are very much effective while you're trying to reach out to your customers as compared to email, because the reachability, the awareness of these platforms are very higher. Plus, the difference between an RCS and WhatsApp is WhatsApp will be delivered somewhere close to say 60%, whereas the delivery rate for RCS communications are as high as about 90%. Plus what we have seen is currently what we are trying to activate is a dormant base. So we have done a pilot campaigns for RCS where it has given us almost 5x of ROI for dormant users, along with 90% plus delivery rate. So I think it's very useful and impactful. But in the coming days, what we are trying to also do is we are trying to reactivate our never traded inactive clients, and this will also help us reduce our overall CAC plus the CPL, because RCS as a channel, the cost is very effective. So yes. So there are multiple use cases what we have achieved till now over the last almost 2.5 years. The biggest and the major use case I feel is we have integrated WhatsApp and RCS in part of our all customer journeys. These are across funnel, from onboarding to activation, acquisition, engagement, retention. So what this has helped us do is the conversion has been increasing month on month, and I think we have almost over 50 journeys, and this has been part of all these customer journeys. So I think this is one of the major use case. Apart from this, I think what we have also started using marketing campaigns for our product features, where we are trying to create awareness and inform our existing clients about our new product features, our offers, regulatory updates. The WhatsApp chatbot what we have created. The WhatsApp chatbot not only gives you daily updates about your account, but it also helps you reach out and get real-time recommendations. Plus, you can also reach out to our support team and resolve your queries from the chatbot itself. And yes, you can also get your profit and loss report, your holding report, your ledger balances. I think these are very crucial updates which you get within 2 to 3 clicks over WhatsApp. These products, these features are also there in your dashboard and app, but through our WhatsApp chatbot, we are trying to get this at ease of our customers within 2 to 3 clicks. The next use case what we have is click to WhatsApp. What we are trying to do is we are trying to replicate our existing onboarding flow over WhatsApp, where if any user is trying to register with Samco Securities, there is a list of onboarding KYC process which gets initiated, and we are trying to replicate this over WhatsApp so that it could try to help us reduce our CPA CAC and help us in our conversions.
So in the current digital world, it becomes extremely difficult for a human to be able to answer all and every query. It's better that a system, as they make less mistakes or they don't make mistakes, it's better that a system contacts with the customer rather than a human support person. With that, having said that, for sales, for example, it's an auto process where a customer can fully, being online, being digitally, can complete the account opening process without involving a single paper. So that can be automated via an RCS. Similarly, for recommendations, if we speak, we can send all the recommendations online to the customer without any human intervention. And the best part is I can reach thousands and lakhs of customers at one instant. So there's no price gap or there's no risk that the customer faces, and there's no leakage of information as well. Similarly, in the same WhatsApp, the customer can decide whether he wants to take that trade or no. He can just click on one button and the trade can be executed. So with this, what happens is I can reach lakhs of customers at one go. There's no price leakage, and the customer does not lose any time, which is of extreme importance in the market because markets are as volatile as they can be. Similarly, if the customer has any query, or instead of contacting support, he can just reach out to us via an RCS or WhatsApp. He can get all the query then and there without any human intervention. Obviously, it helps us a lot because infographically I can tell a lot many things. I'll give you a simple example. If I want my customer to ask him to buy Reliance, if it's being done by a human, he will just say okay, buy Reliance, and maybe he can give a line or two about explaining the reasons. But with an RCS, I can actually show him the graph of Reliance. Okay, why exactly Reliance should be bought at this particular point of time, and that changes the whole perspective. Now I do not have to give a reasoning. Now it doesn't depend upon the person delivering the message, because in human contact, obviously the person needs to be trusted. Here, because I've given the logic then and there, the customer can take the right choice without any human intervention. Secondly, as I said earlier, the recommendations can go at the instant. There's no time loss. Otherwise, it is humanly not possible to give recommendation by one business channel, by my one business area where we get maximum revenue from recommendations. It would not have been possible without the technology. And RCS and WhatsApp definitely enhance the user experience. We have realized that whenever we put the same communication directly via an email or a human contact vis-a-vis an RCS or a WhatsApp, the performance have been extremely good, and that's why we have moved our major communications to RCS and WhatsApp. Obviously, there's a lot of scope. As I said, in the digital world, if you want to use the best of AI as well going forward, there's no other choice but to shift to tech-led information, tech-led communication like RCS and WhatsApp. Similarly, even for support, let's say for example, if I know that okay, 100 people are going to ask me for the ledger balance, I can just ensure that every day at 9 a.m. in the morning they get the RCS or they get the WhatsApp right then and there, so that I can anticipate customer behavior, I can support them, I can give the support to them by predicting their behavior. Also, one of the important factors is that trust factor gets built up. In the current era where there are a lot of scams happening, impersonation scams happening, even the government have to issue a clarification over call, etc. Similarly, what this does is this removes the human intervention, this increases the trust, there are trust markers, customers have been interacting, and I think going forward this would create a very large use case where the need for support or the need for human intervention goes down, the trust markers goes up, and obviously the customer will get the best of the use of the technology.
Route Mobile has always been very helpful, supportive with us over the last two and a half years. I think what any partner or in any synergy, what you always try to look out for is the support or the guidance what you get. And I think what I've seen with Route is that they've always been top notch with the services or the extra support what we want, and I think that gives them an added advantage. Apart from this, also what I've seen is the support, the customer success team has always given us feedback on how to maybe optimize and answer KPIs. Plus, as over the last 2 years, what they've seen is they've also understood the business, how the entire domain works. And I think I've never seen any other partner do such well, where they also understand how your business works, and they've also given us a very competitive pricing. Plus, they keep updating us about the regular commercials from the Meta and Google. Plus, they keep coming out with regular product features, and they keep updating us about that as well. So I think as an overall experience, it's been quite good till now, and I think yes, I would definitely recommend them to others as well.
So all the teams within Route Mobile, be it pre-sales, sales, onboarding team, customer success team, support team, have taken in a lot of efforts in quickly onboarding Samco Securities team, and they've ensured a quicker turnaround time for them. Samco Security team has always been the early adopters of all the latest features, be it WhatsApp, RCS, any technology that they are adopting to. So for us also, it was very important that we are on our toes, giving them all the latest features, all the support that is required to enable those features. Do some market analysis and research in terms of what their industry is doing, and help them navigate them as much as we can to enable those use cases on channels like RCS. We've been their technical support in terms of building chatbot use cases, where we've done market research along with their team and created some unique use cases, because they are the first ever chatbot in their industry and domain. So it's been a great pleasure enabling use cases in their industry for the first time for user-initiated conversations. The latest release of Search to RCS agent via Google Chrome search is a very beneficial feature, I think, for all the fintech industries, including Samco Securities, because it allows you to reach to your users. It's a new discovery entry point for your users, where you can reach out to them to solve their different journeys like onboarding, lead generation, it can be booking, it can be customer success, etc., which can be resolved using these features, because it's just a one-click reach. This has helped a lot of brands increase their ROI, because instead of reaching to a call center, sorting out their customer care queries over a telephone call where they had to put up an agent and there's a cost associated to each call, these brands have optimized their ROI by quickly turning it into a small message within a chatbot conversations. And we all know that two-way communications conversation pricing is way more lesser as compared to what they are putting up in one call center agent. So yes, this has helped them increase their ROI twofolds, I would say, at least twofolds.